crees en su Facebook que...
Maybe no.
This is really what happened in New York City when somebody drinks too much. It's really ridiculous. If somebody sleeping on the lobby and just like snoring, it's really, really unbelievable. Believe me, it's not fake. It's real. The guy is snoring. Damn. Good night, man.